Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download large files on Telegram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to download large files that are up to 2 GB on Telegram, you can use the Telegram mobile app. Once you have simply tapped open your Telegram, you need to ensure you have enough device storage. For faster, more reliable downloads on PC, you can use Telegram desktop app or a third-party downloader, or use the Save to Files or Gallery option on mobile phone. If a file is larger, consider using specialized bot like getpubliclink_bot to generate direct download link, which can be opened in a browser or a download manager. So if you're going to use these simple methods, you will be able to download large files on your Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.